Our test employee is Jeff Hill, who lives in New Jersey, as it's shown over here, New Brunswick. And if we go and see his payroll residential tax area, and this is also New Jersey. So his address and residential tax area is New Jersey. Let's go and see the forms that's been there for this employee, Jeff Hill. He has two forms, federal and New Jersey. Let's go and change his address from New Jersey to Pennsylvania. We will select the effective date from April 16th because our next payroll runs on April 16th. So we'll add the the Pennsylvania address for Jeff Hill. He's going to live in Philadelphia from 16th April onwards with the proper zip code. And now after saving this, we'll go and approve for Tessa Walker and Ananya Singh. They both are the approvers. Let's add some comments. Now I'm going to proxy as Tessa Walker. I'm going to approve the address. The address is approved now. Let's go back to Ananya Singh. And Ananya Singh also can approve the address because we had seen those two names as an approver. So Ananya Singh also approves it. So let's go and see whether the data has been replicated because once the address is changed, the data has to go to the payroll system. This is the old replication, successful replication, which happened at 4.1, but now it should be a newer one. Now it is in pending status, that means replication is going on for this employee. Every minute the employee data is replicated from Employee Central to Employee Central Payroll. The data has been replicated. Now we can go and see Jeff Hill's address as well as, well, address is already there. His residence tax area. It should be Philadelphia from 16th of April onwards. So as you can see, it's changed to Philadelphia, which is PBKX Philadelphia. PBKX is the code. It's a tax level 03. As you can see, federal and Pennsylvania state is in the scope of PPKX tax area. Even though PPKX is there, if we simulate the payroll run for this employee, since PPKX is a new tax jurisdiction for the employer, the EIC number is not there, so the payroll is going to fail for this employee. So let's restart the simulation payroll. So it has failed with error, and if we go and see the error, it's showing Jeff Hill as an error, and it also shows a table name V underscore T5 UTI, and it says the tax authority does not have the registered number over there, right? So we have to maintain that. So that's how the system let us know that the tax authority does not, sorry, the EIC does not exist for that new tax jurisdiction where the employee has moved, right? And this is a table. So let's go and look at this table and maintain that employer number. We are in the table now. US01 is our tax company for US. And we are going to the PBKX tax area to see whether it's been registered or not. One way is either we can scroll down and look for that number, or we can go to the position and write PPKX. As we can see, it's not there in the list. So let's maintain that PPKX with its employee employer ID number. We'll maintain the same number what we have for other localities for Pennsylvania. Now it's been saved, and we will go and rerun the simulation to see if the error is gone. We started the simulation. While the simulation is running, let's go and see the uh, forms that this employee has for Pennsylvania, whether he has the form or not. Let's go to the BSI forms. BSI is our tax engine. Okay, anyhow, let's see. Seems like the payroll is done. Okay, it's not yet done. We'll go to the forms to see. Okay, so the New Jersey form is still there. There is no Pennsylvania form. The reason why the Pennsylvania form is not there, because the data which has gone into the residence tax area is not yet replicated back to the BSI. Okay, we will take care of that later. Let's go and see the simulation run and see if that EIC number, that employer number issue has gone. Yes, now we don't see any error for Jeff Hill. The yeah, So it's been done. There's no error. That means the table v underscore t5 UTI, where we maintain the EIC number, that shows that the employer is registered in the tax area. Now we'll go to Credon, so that we have to replicate the data that's been saved in the Employee Central Payroll into BSI. This replication happens automatically, but we have not enabled that automation between BSI and payroll because it's a demo system. We want to have some control. So we will go and do manual replication of Jeff Hill from payroll system to BSI. Okay, we are in the system now. We'll go for the manual import. We'll select the employee, specific employee. We enter the employee ID 73885. And let's click on go. Oh, I forgot to enter the zeros. The zero has to be there because it's 8-digit number. Once we enter zero and click on apply, and then we find this employee, Jeff Hill, 73885, and it says last import request has been successfully scheduled. Let's go and see the log, whether it's been created or not. Yeah, here is the log. Event log. Yeah, as you can see in the bottom, 73885 employee has been successfully replicated. So now we should be able to see the forms because the data from the payroll system has come back to the BSI. Now if you go to the Jeff Hill and look at his forms, here it comes, Federal, New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Now this Pennsylvania form needs to be updated. I'm trying to see something over here. Okay, I'll try to proxy as Jeff Hill. Because till now I was acting as an admin who is working, who is trying to, you know, checking whether everything is fine with the employee. So Josh Hill himself can log in, go to the BSI admin form, sorry, BSI forms, and fill up those forms. Let's click this form. The reason I came over here is just to check whether the why I'm seeing this New Jersey form. Seems like the New Jersey form, even though it's there, we haven't filled it up initially. That's why the New Jersey form is visible. I'm just trying to check what do I see in the 210 info type. Well, in the payroll, we call it, you know, all the W4 information. Yeah, it's only federal. There's no New Jersey form. I see. So I think the New Jersey form was not filled up for this employee. But let's go as Jeffrey and try to update the W4 form for New Jersey. Yeah. So this is the form. We are going to update it. There's nothing much to be entered in this form. Okay. We'll just accept it and save it because the EIT number is already been defined. If we go down a little bit, we'll say that the rate is 0.0375 and the PST code is also there. Let's save it. Once we save this data, we'll go and update the payroll system W4 information, right? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's fill up the New Jersey also because New Jersey is not filled up. Oh, even W4 was not done for him. Okay, it was there, but okay, just an alert. Rest everything will keep it as it is. I don't want to change anything. Okay, all 100% done. So all these forms should have gone to backend and created something over there. So let's go and see whether it's been done or not, or whether we have to do something more from our side. Become self. So again, I became the admin. I go and self for Jeffrey. Go to his payroll. See his W4 information, whether New Jersey or that information is gone or not. Yeah. The New Jersey also got updated that we had filled up, and also Pennsylvania State as well as the Philadelphia City. So both have been created, right? Upcoming payroll preview. Let's see if this works. Yeah. So we got PPKX, right? We got this in this payroll slip for this employee for 416 to 430, right? Earlier it was not there. You might be thinking why the New Jersey is over here, right? Well, New Jersey is here because he works in New Jersey. That's the reason why the New Jersey is there, right? Thank you.